Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
So we do a half Uttanasana, feet are hip width apart. Take a deep breath in, pull up the kneecaps. If you want, you can have your knees bent. See how your back is feeling. If your back is feeling strong, the legs are nice and straight, kneecaps pulled up, stomach pulled into the spine, leaning forward, trying to come into a flat position with your back. You can use your legs for support, pressing away from the legs, neck in line with the back. Press down with your feet into the floor. Again, if your knees are bent, you're doing the same posture with bent knees, trying to straighten out your back. You're looking a little ahead of your mat, outer edge of your mat. Don't break the line of the neck. Straighten out the back as much as you can. And slowly come up. Let's try that one more time, keeping the back nice and safe. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, reach forward, either with straight legs or bent knees, into a nice half Uttanasana. And if you don't feel so good about being in this flat tabletop position with your legs straight and you're not feeling balanced, you can do this with the help of a chair. So you use your arms forward using a chair or a tabletop as a backrest, and you can stretch your arms forward and rest them on the chair using it for support. Separate your feet a little bit more. Bring your hands resting behind you. So you have your thumbs towards your spine. Gently relax the knees and stretch back, pressing the hips forward. So when you're doing that stretch, you don't want to feel a crunching in the spine, you just want to feel a gentle stretch. Like, that feels good. Not, oh my God, it's so difficult and it's hurting me. And gently come back.